Welcome to Life of Lady Di. Subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to turn on that notification for more wonderful, encouraging content. Today we're going to be making pork belly, white rice, carrots, and string beans. So I've seasoned and cooked my pork belly in the pressure cooker, and I'm straining all of that rendered pork fat and all of that beautiful sauce from the pork belly. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to be putting it in the oven. Okay, so once I strain it, remove all that, you're going to place it on your baking dish. Put your oven on broil, and you're going to basically just brown it so it can get nice and crispy. To our pot of water for our rice, we're going to add garlic powder, the oil of choice. I use peanut oil, olive oil, you can do butter. We're going to do a chicken bouillon cube. You just need one. I have a family of 4, so this is plenty of rice for us, and we always have leftovers. Sometimes, depends on how much rice they feel like eating. Cover that and wait for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to add your rice. So a little trick that my parents taught me is you pour your rice right in the middle of the pan until it comes to that tiny little mound, and that's how you know you have just enough rice. And that's how I was taught, and so hey, try it out. Mix your rice and the water, your seasoned water, really well. And then you're going to turn your heat down to medium. And what you want to do is to watch for it to reduce. I'm just checking on my pork belly. It's looking nice and brown and crispy. Going back to my rice. All right, now that it's reduced to this much as far as the liquid is concerned, this is perfect. You're going to mix your rice, scrape the bottom, and then make sure you turn your heat all the way down to low, and you're going to cover your rice for 15 minutes, okay? Once it's reduced to this much. Cover it. You're going to cover your rice for about 15 minutes. Do not uncover your rice. Let it cook. So I'm taking some of that broth from my pork belly and I'm adding it to my sliced carrots. You can add as much as or as little as you want. Because it's already seasoned, I'm like, just use that instead. Or you don't have to. And instead of adding butter or oil, again, the pork belly has fat in it, so there it is. So I added that to my carrots, and I'm going to cover my pan and let it start to come to a boil. I'm not cooking my carrots till like super mush at all. The pork belly, it's looking great. Had to take it out the oven, and you're going to flip it to the opposite side, put that back in the oven on broil. Carrots are looking absolutely delicious. I'm adding a quart of cut green beans that I strained and rinsed to my carrots. Mix that really well. Cover and turn down the temperature to about a medium low. Now that our pork belly is ready and done, we're going to go ahead and remove it from the pan. See all that fat that was rendered, and just put it on a plate. You can put on a napkin to absorb any more fat. It's up to you. But look at how brown and delicious and crispy that pork belly looks. It smells delicious. It tastes amazing. It's a savory, yummy flavor. The color is absolutely gorgeous because we do not eat white meat around here unless it's like fish, okay? We like our food to have color and deliciousness to it. That looks so delicious, and inside is super, super tender. Checking on our rice. Now that we've let it cook, look at how delicious and tender our rice is. Perfectly cooked, not mushy, not hard. Rice is so easy to make, guys. I'm telling you. Stick with me. You'll be making rice in no time. And then our string beans and carrots. Everything is absolutely delicious and amazing. So this was dinner for today for my wonderful family. They wanted pork belly, and so they got pork belly the island way. White rice, stewed carrots with string beans, and crispy, delicious, tender, flavorful pork belly. It is completely up to you if you want to add like a sauce to it or a barbecue sauce, but because we seasoned our meat so well, it's not really necessary. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out or if you have any questions. Until next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you again soon.